Welcome to Giant RC Truck Week here on the RC Sailors. We're here with our new Traxxas X-MAXX. Not a brand new truck, but it's a new truck for us. We're really excited about it. This is a 5th scale electric monster truck. Well, actually, Traxxas claims it to be max size, but it's pretty much 5th scale size. And speaking of an electric truck, we are running this on 2 4S batteries we picked up from rcjuice.com. They're Hobby Star batteries. Great batteries. We'll have their information linked in the description box below. I want to say thank you to RC Juice for hooking us up with those batteries, because they're the reason that we are able to run this. Without their batteries, there would be no video. So thank you guys over there, RC Juice. You guys are awesome to us. And we are at the hill today. And who thinks this can't make it up?
Yeah. I mean, every truck that we do, we bring to the hill. We couldn't let this be an exception.
My only question is, you know, we had those JLB Cheetah trucks ramp at the top of the hill.
Oh, geez.
Early summer this year. Will this do that, or is it too heavy to do that? Let's go bash this for the first time ever and find out.
And a huge thanks to our patrons, because we would not have this truck if it wasn't for our patron supporters. Abby, let's see what you got. Let's just see, can it make it up the hill? Normal bashing speed, nothing crazy. Obviously. Yeah. Now let's have some fun with it. And
I'm just worried we're gonna tear up our spot. Like, look, you can see the tracks.
We already left huge
and
tracks.
I was barely going.
Woo! That is a beast. Wow. That is a beast. I mean, hey. You are rotten. Woo, baby! Woo! Well, I think it's conquered the hill, no problem. Oh, in reverse. Oh, it failed in reverse. Too much juice. All right, hit it in reverse. Can the X-MAXX make it up the hill in reverse? Yeah, reverse challenge complete, and my shoes are covered. Oh. It rolled over, and yet Abby wants to test to see if she can rock it back over. There you go.
Easy.
Yeah, good job.
Granted, it was on a slope, but
yeah, still. Nicely done. We gave it best case scenario. We set it right on its top. You want to do a quick speed run here for those that missed our actual speed run?
Sure.
See if you can ride a wheelie. No, one wheel. You got to be careful on those. That's how you blow tires out. Here we go, here we go. This is our first time actually bashing with this, you guys. We have other plans for tomorrow for some fun, really fun bashing. So to be honest, we're taking it just a tiny bit easy. Nice ramp. Taking it just a little bit easy on it today, because tomorrow's video is going to be very, we'll bash it harder tomorrow. I know that for sure. And we we've never been exposed to the X-Maxx before. Let's see if you can rock it. Like, see, I don't think it can rock over when it's on its side. I think it just...
I'm just gonna blow a tire.
Yeah, if it's not perfectly level, I don't think you can really do it. Let's do a little of the small hill bashing. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is not gonna make it to tomorrow. Yeah, I think for it to rock over, it's not really like a big major selling point, I don't think. But if it's perfectly upside down like that, then you can...
I feel like I'm just gonna ruin my body.
Yeah, you wanna just hand flip it over? Oh, almost. There you go, you did it.
People were probably cringing when I said I don't want to scratch the body. Like, come on, Abby.
It's all right.
People do say we're too easy on our RCs, but I disagree.
Well, tomorrow's bashing video, you know what, too? We really appreciate what we have. Oh, that root. That was a rough hit. You know, we want it to last. We want to be able to get some fun videos for you guys. And we're not ungrateful for what we have, so.
Did you see that? It went over.
Yes. Oh, a little bit of juice. You'll get it. There you go. Okay. That's nice that I didn't have to run up the hill to recover it. Yeah. Well guys, for the sake of saving this for another video, because I can tell the longer Abby has it in her possession, the harder she's gonna bash it. Let's hope nothing has broken on day one, because we have an even harder bashing session for it tomorrow. Clearly the X-Maxx is an awesome bashing beast. I mean, I really don't have much negative to say about it, except the price point, really. What do you think, Abby?
Fun.
Yeah. Guys, remember the X-Maxx, if you are so inclined and have deep enough pockets right now, will be linked in the description box below. We know it's a very expensive truck and it's a unique time for us to be able to have this. There is a reason for it. You'll learn in a very short amount of time. And the batteries, more importantly, are an awesome battery company that hook us up. We will have those linked in the description box below too. If you'd like to support them and just say thanks and also check out their batteries, please do so. That just looks awesome, doesn't it? Wow, that is so cool. And if you want to join the team of Patreon supporters that have helped make this happen, we'll have our Patreon page linked in the description box below, because without Patreon, we could not do this at all. That is just very cool.
I can't even talk.
It did a wheelie into a ramp and cleared the road. Yeah. Hey, it's putting a smile on our face and it's very cool. Very good vehicle. I mean, very cool. Guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Abby?
Bye!